Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on BEAM, a gaming-focused crypto token that has been really hot since it was created last year on November of 2023. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share my price prediction for BEAM for this upcoming bull run of 2025. So please do me a solid and subscribe to the channel, click the like button, and join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. You can join for free. It's not going to be free forever, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. This is where I post trading setups every single day, low caps, mid caps, large caps, AI tokens, gaming tokens, meme coins, RWAs, DPINs, all that kind of stuff. And let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, BEAM is ranked number 75. Its price is at 0.019. 7.52% up for the day, and the market cap is sitting right below 1 billion at 972 million. If we take a look at the all-time chart, we see that BEAM has been doing really well, 300% up since its creation. Now, before we look at the charts, let's look at what is BEAM. BEAM is a token that serves as the native crypto asset for the BEAM network, a gaming network empowered by the BEAM DAO. BEAM is an ecosystem where gamers and developers come together to shape the future of the gaming industry. One of its core components is the BEAM SDK, which is a flexible software development kit that enables game developers to choose between a variety of tools that can be used to fuel and structure their in-game blockchain elements. So BEAM is one of the hottest gaming tokens in the market right now, guys. It has been outperforming many other tokens, and it's been doing great. This is their website. You can find them on onbeam.com. I'm not going to waste time going over this now. You can just click on all of these things here and do this on your own time. The website looks amazing, though. When you first visit their website, it's going to look at something like this, which looks amazing to me. This is their X account. You can find them at Build on Beam. And look what it says here. BEAM is a sovereign network focused on gaming brought to you by meritcircle_IO. They have over 84,000 followers, but that's not a good representation in my eyes of the community that this token has behind it. Look at the market cap, guys. The market cap is almost at 1 billion. I've seen other tokens that have less than 100 million market cap, but they have way more followers on X. So that doesn't make sense to me. Nevertheless, they have been pretty active, posting every single day, and the games that they promote and the games that they are working on look great. This is the chart. We are looking at BEAM. The ticker on Binance is BEAMX over USDT, and this is the daily chart. As I told you earlier, this token was created on November 14th of 2023. We saw a nice little run-up all the way up here, where BEAM put its all-time high at 0.044, and that was an increase of 757%. People took profits here, and since then, BEAM has been trending down and pulled back all the way down here, 76% down from its all-time high, but currently we're only 54% down from the all-time high. And we are forming this nice pattern here. Look at this. This looks like a head and shoulders pattern. This is the head, this is the left shoulder, right shoulder, and we are currently testing the neckline. This is how you find the measured move of a head and shoulders pattern. You just take the straight line from the neckline to the lowest point of the head. And if we put this to the breakout level, assuming it's here, you can find the target. Now, this setup looks really bullish to me. I really love the head and shoulders pattern. It has an over 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. So what we want to see out of BEAM in the coming days, weeks, months is a break above the neckline. For those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, I suggest that you should wait until the price action breaks above the neckline so you can buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside so you can take profits when the price action hits one of these targets here. However, BEAM is one of these tokens that haven't experienced a real bull run before. This is going to be the first time, and taking into consideration that this token, this gaming token, has been one of the top performers since it was created, I think that BEAM has tremendous potential. Before I give you my price prediction for this token for this upcoming bull run of 2025, let's look at the measured moves. If BEAM manages to break above the neckline, the measured move to the first target that I have here on the chart, that's located at 0.026, is almost a 30% move. And the measured move from the neckline all the way up to the second target that I have here on the chart, that's located at 0.031, that's over a 54% move. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, I have an idea that I want to share with you. It seems like we are getting rejected here. Of course, it's very possible that we might break above the neckline tomorrow or in a few days from now. But if we see a small rejection here, what I really want to see BEAM doing is pulling back and forming a higher low before it takes off. So we are going to have this low, and this is going to be a higher low. In my view, this might be a very good opportunity for those of you who want to front run the breakout of the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. Of course, if you manage to accumulate this coin somewhere around here below the neckline, the profits that you are going to make are going to be even greater. For example, to the first target that we talked about earlier, that's going to be a 52% move. And to the second target, that's going to be over 81% move. Now, BEAM, as I told you, has almost a $1 billion market cap. So it needs some kind of liquidity in order to make moves like that. As a token, it's not as heavy as XRP or ADA, but still, at a 1 billion market cap, we need a lot of money to flow into this token in order for it to make big moves. Now, if we zoom out, we see that the all-time high was at 0.044. The measured move from the neckline to the all-time high, that's a 122% move. Taking into consideration that BEAM has been one of the top performers in the market, even though it needs more liquidity than other low caps and mid caps that we've been talking about in this channel, I think that a 122% move in the crypto market is not that of a big deal, guys. BEAM can make this happen. It can break above this all-time high and move in price discovery. Since it hasn't experienced a bull run before, nobody knows how high this token can go. Now, if I zoom out again, I have a few targets here for you, and these targets are basically my price prediction for BEAM for this upcoming bull run of 2025. I'm going to give you conservative price predictions. Taking into consideration that BEAM has almost a $1 billion market cap, I think that it's very possible that BEAM can pull a 5x move, or even better, a 10x move during this upcoming bull run. Now, if BEAM manages to pull a 5x move, that means that it's going to have a price of 0.098 and a market cap of 4.88 billion. But I am even more bullish on BEAM, guys. And gaming as a sector has been outperforming most other categories. And we expect gaming as a category to outperform most other categories during this upcoming bull run of 2025. So I think that BEAM can even pull an even greater move. For example, a 10x move. And that's going to take us to this price level that's located at 0.19. That's 19 cents basically. And if BEAM manages to pull a 10x move, that means that it's going to have a market cap of 9.77 billion. 10 billion market cap, guys. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think that BEAM can pull a 10x move during this upcoming bull run of 2025? For those of you who like to doubt, I really like to compare BEAM to Gala. Look what Gala did during the previous bull run. The measured move from all the way down here, from its creation, let's say, to the all-time high, that's over a 27x move. 2,741%, guys. Gala managed to run from all the way down here at $0.019 to 83 cents. So I think BEAM can pull a similar move this time. If BEAM was to pull a 27x move, just like Gala did, that's going to take us to an approximate price of 39 cents. Nothing is impossible in the crypto market, guys. That's all I had for you today. I hope you liked the video. Make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, click the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.